In the Modbus IoT application, I built a small application that reads and writes Modbus registers and displays them to the screen. All I'm going to do now is add the ability to take those values and push them to the cloud. I'm going to use streaming from Amazon Web Services to send them to the cloud. To do that, I need to secure my connection, and that's the AWS credentials server that we dropped in from the pallet. I configured these with parameters that come from the AWS console. When you create your username, these are created for you. Once I've done that, in the similar way to the PLC, I create a representation of the cloud. I create a representation of cloud streaming and associate that with the credentials so that we have a secure connection here. Having done that, all I need to do is publish that data to the cloud. And we have a Kinesis publish bean here. I associate that with the device, the same as I did with the connecting PLC registers to the PLC device. You notice that here we have two, that this provides hot failover, that if the main device goes down, if we lose connectivity to the data center or whatever reason, then we will always flip-flop to the backup device, so you can have multiple redundant applications that will hot failover from one availability zone to another in the Amazon Web Service. I need to provide a topic for this which simply describes what is my data, and let's just say this is our part count. Having done that, all I have to do is connect from my Modbus server to my Kinesis publish server. Let's publish this other value. Once again, we connect to the server, and this one we'll call the pressure. And so now I'm publishing those two values to the cloud. I can deploy this once again to my Raspberry Pi. And once that's completed, we'll have an application running on the Pi that is pushing data to Amazon. Notice that we could do this over Wi-Fi or over hardwire Ethernet, but it will also work over a GSM connection or an LTE or any sort of cellular connection. So long as we have an IP connection, then the Kinesis stream will work.